Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show you how add your Hero C1 Dahua camera to your Dahua XVR. First we must open your web browser, import your XVR IP address, waiting to open. Okay, import your password, click login. Okay, here we must go to camera menu. Here going to camera list. Okay, click on search device, waiting to find my camera. Okay, this is my camera, Dahua H4C. Check in and click on add button. Okay, here we click on edit. In the password tab we must import the camera's safety code. After import, click on OK, waiting to showing my okay. As you can see, your camera is added easily. Okay, here we're going to live menu. Here my camera. Okay. If you like it, please don't forget subscribe and like my videos. Thank you. Bye.